for Sheila Lemon.
Yes.
So we're here today. If you see,
We're gonna do some unboxing for you today. Kasi we received a present from our friends.
from our friends, and so you want gonna tell?
Yes, we want to make this special unboxing because they really made an effort to send this to us. So it's for me and Sheila. So we want them to know how thankful we are for this present. So are you guys ready? So what do you want?
I'm ready.
Yes, we will
Yes.
tell them.
After.
Yes, after we open
Who?
this box and who and
Who
what.
sent us and what? Yes.
So, ayan, ready na ako.
Excited
Excited ako, guys, kasi hindi ko pa
Excited
na
na ako.
nakita. So,
Yes, ako rin. Hindi ko talaga. Hinintay ko siya. Para
So, yeah.
ma-open ko talaga.
kasi sa kanya, send para isang ano na lang, isang padala na lang. So, na-excite ako. Excited ako.
So, ready? Start? Saan ba tayo mag-open dito?
Dito. Uy!
Hey! Hala!
Uy!
Oh! Guess what? Tingnan natin kung saan yung sayo sa ano. Woo!
Sa'yo yan.
Hala!
Correct naman.
Oo, correct. Ah, ang ganda kaya oh. Pati yung ano oh. Sister, show it to them.
Ay! Ito guys, oh, di ba? May yung packaging po, it's so...
Ang ganda.
Oh, di
So
ba?
fancy. Ang ganda oh. Sheila. And of course, Grace.
Grace.
Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday. Puro happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sheila. Thank you.
Diba? Kasi magkasunod na yung birthday namin, sister. So,
Today, kunin natin sa sister. Kaya natin.
Dito.
Kunin natin.
lagay siya sa box so para din man.
Diyan ang muna. Ayan.
Oh, there's even a keychain.
Oh my gosh.
Tropical
that's so-
state. Oh, what is that? Is that part of it?
Yeah, I guess it's a part of it. It's
Tropical state of mind.
that's
pretty.
good. Siguro yung mail ng kanya, yung kabilang ano. Kabilang, ano ba yun? Ano, no? Right? May ganyan po. Ang ganda. Ang
Hi.
ganda. Oh, ayun. May ano na kami ni sister. Oh, sige, next. Oh,
Ay, nako. Ito na. Open na guys.
sabay na lang tayo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ala, excited
Open it.
ako.
Ay, I did not open it, right?
Bakit pinahirapan mo kami? Just kidding. Ayan, I love you. Ay! Oh, then don't do that, anak.
And we love you. You know who you are. And we will find out soon kung sino to ang
Yes,
bigay.
I love you. Too much na. Ang ano.
Ikaw
Ang
yung kitchen
ganda.
din
Ano,
to.
kuya, ganda din to.
Oh, there you go.
Oy!
Oh my gosh, guys!
Ala!
See?
Mamaya, yan na natin. I-reveal
Sige.
natin.
Keychain
Ay,
ko yan.
naku, ako rin. Kitchen din yan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda siya.
Yes!
I'm so excited. Grabe. Ay!
Ganda.
Ala! Oh my gosh! I love it! Oh my gosh, sister! Kailangan natin ito magpapit
Kailangan
ng
mo.
photo.
Hold on, there's a tape. I need to get rid of
Oh
the
my
tape.
gosh!
My God.
Look at that! Oh my gosh!
Okay, ready na kayo guys?
1,
2,
2, 3,
3, go! Woohoo! Look at that, guys.
Look at that, guys. Oh,
Grace's kitchen.
yes, Sheila's kitchen! And made with love.
Made with love. And guys, alam niyo guys kung saan ito galing?
Gusto niyo ba malaman? Let's go.
Nako.
Nako, she's very generous.
Sila talaga.
Silang
Silang
lahat.
lahat.
Silang lahat.
Ito ay galing sa ating mga mamshi sa Illinois. Especially sa kay Sisi Pita
Pita
Macrash.
Macrash.
Ang gumawa nito. So they are so sweet. Ito like guys, oh, yung ano, yung pad.
Yes.
Pwede namin gawing kitchen. Nakalagay dito sa likod. Yun ko ba?
Sige,
Makikita
mamaya
niyo?
i-zoom natin.
Oo. Sabi dito, Love Lads, Illinois Mamas, Pita Macrash, Adventures Kramer, D-Life in USA, Marie's Diary, Mercy Clary, and those of the Joneses.
Yes! Thank you, mga mamshi! Mwah!
I guess this is such a great surprise and a great birthday present from all of you. So thank you. Parang maiyak naman ako dito.
Ako rin.
Na-overwhelm ako.
Yes, ako rin. Thank you so so
Well, ito lang
much.
guys, ang sabi na to si Pita, pero hindi ko in-expect na ganito kaganda. At saka ganito ka...
Pang-display ko naman. Kung
Parang hindi ko naman ito
magamit.
lagyan na ano. Oo, kasi dito, di ba, ilagay mo mag-chat ka
Ilagay ko
dito.
siya dito, sa kitchen ko. Lalagay ako
This is really nice.
Ay, ganda. Sisi, mga mamshi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Very generous si Narada. Thank you
I
so
really
much.
like this.
Yeah.
Oh.
Your sister.
This is something that we will cherish forever kasi, you know, yung wood talaga, it lasts forever.
Yes,
So,
oo.
hindi ko talaga ito gagamitin.
Ako rin.
Kasi
Sige,
parang
sorry.
sayang
Hindi ko
to.
to gagamitin mga mamshi. Pang-display ko to.
Yes, pati ito gawin kong
Ang
kitchen.
ganda. Ang
O,
ganda
diba?
ng pagkagawa. Look at that, oh. Diba? Oh, ano mo talaga, oh.
Ayun talaga yung ano.
Oh, ang ganda.
It's just so
Wow.
cute.
Thank you so much. Really. Maraming salamat mga mamshi.
Kaya pinapili niya kami ng mga design.
Yes,
Kasi
Tita
talaga,
Macrash, Adventurer Premier,
Adventures Spring Reyes, D-Life in USA, Marie's Diary, Mercy Clary,
and
Adults
Mamshi,
of
Adults of
Genesis.
Genesis.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much.
Mommy, thank you so much. Ano po?
Oo, napaka-overwhelmed naman ito. Very
Kasi
special
nag-sponsor na
birthday
sila
present.
sister sa atin, sa ating event.
Oo, sa ating
And,
birthday event.
Sponsor na sila sa birthday event. Tapos ito pa. Thank you so much. Hala. Si guys, ang ano talaga, no?
We can't wait to see you guys again.
Yes.
Or again to see Sheila for the first time.
Kasi si Grace, kita na
So, but we can't wait to see you in June, and you guys watch out for that vlog.
Yes, oo. Mag-collabs tayo. Ay,
She's very, ano talaga, si Pita Macrash is very talented.
oo.
I know she has a machine, but without her hand, you know, hindi niya maano to. Kasi
Oo,
ganda
kasi
talaga,
oo.
napaka, ano, yung carvings.
Ang
Parang na,
ganda.
ano ako na, ecstatic ako.
Oo.
Static yung
Ang ganda.
reaction ko. Yes.
Ayan. Thank you so much. Happy
It's,
birthday. Talagang ikikip ko
Yes,
to.
napaka-simple but sophisticated na chopping board. O, diba?
Yes.
So,
ayan.
gawin naman natin itong decoration dito pang chopping kasi
Oo.
maano to masisira yung ano beauty.
Yes.
So, yan guys! Thank you again, Mom She's from Illinois!
Yes, thank you so much. We love you so much.
And we can't wait to see you soon!
Yes, oo.
Yan.
Diba, sister?
So, picture natin to sister ha.
Yes, magayon tayo.
Yes, ganun tayo.
Yeah.
No, diba?
Diba? So, ayan guys.
So, thank you so
for
much, guys.
watching.
Yes.
And I hope you enjoy.
Enjoy this unboxing
Our
surprise.
unboxings from our
Generous Mom She's
generous
from
moms
Illinois.
from Illinois.
So,
Thank you so much.
I
And
even love the ribbon.
kahit ano, hindi ko ano yung akin.
Yung kitchen.
Hindi yung ano ko rin, yung ganyan.
Nandiyan, oh, in front of you.
Ay, hindi yung ano, kasi pati yung ano maganda.
Oh, ito yung ano, yung
Ay, ito
ribbon.
pala na huli.
Oh.
Ayan siya.
Yeah.
Ayan.
But typical will save this.
Yes, oo. Diba? Ayan.
So, thank you so much.
Love you all guys, and thank you so much for supporting our channel, of course, our
Grace
channel of Grace Holder and I, Grace,
And our
lovely
lovely
sisters.
sisters.
Ayan. And thank you so much
Oo,
sa
thank
mga
you talaga.
lahat-lahat na nagmamahal sa channel namin, never-ending support, and sana na marami pa tayong matutulungan, sisters.
Yes.
Diba?
That's our purpose, guys. You know,
And thank you sa nag-contribute pala, sister, no? Sa
kay, ano
sa
doon,
kay
Ariel, yung
Ariel.
pinatulungan namin sa kay Kuya Budjo.
Oo,
Yun.
and-
So, let's continue supporting Kuya Budjo to kasi yung channel niya talaga is trying to help people, trying to reach out to people that could help yung mga tao na binablog niya. So, hopefully, we can continue helping him, especially his channel to para maano din. lumaki
And
din
also,
siya.
we would like to thanks also to
Ate
our
Rowena.
Ate Rowena.
Yes, for continue supporting our channel and yung mga ka-lovely sisters natin siya, she's always there, although she doesn't have a channel of her own, but she's very generous enough and she's very kind, she's
Yes.
very thoughtful,
Yes.
and yun, so
Yes, kasama po namin siya guys sa pagtutulong sa mga tao na nangangailangan.
Mhm.
So, thank you Ate Rowena, na part ka na ng aming life.
Oo, ng aming advocacy to help
other
others.
people.
Yes. So let's continue helping each other para may matulungan tayo, guys. I know na yung pag-YT, it's parang hindi na naging hindi na namin naisip na magkakasahod kami sa YT.
Yes.
Because I mean, it's talaga kasi it's a great blessing to help people. So and then you will gain mga generous friends, kind friends pa. So yun. So especially itong mga kind and generous friend namin from Illinois. Very sweet talaga, sister, nung nakita ko sila. Mga down to earth talaga, hindi mga keme-keme na mga sisi, mamshis.
Diba?
So they're very, very nice. Very down to earth.
So,
you know, diba?
Ayan.
So thank you, Mamshi.
Thank you, Mamshis! Mga Mamshis! So there you go, guys. Dito na kayo mag-end.
And thank you so much
Thank
for
you so much
watching.
for watching.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe
to the lovely sisters and
Grace
please also
Holder.
Grace Holder.
Bye.